it's Sarah. I was just sent these solar flower lights and I'm really excited because I'm a gardener, so I love having pretty flowers out all the time. And these are 140 flowers that are powered by solar, so I don't have to run any additional cords or anything. And they come on at night and then they turn off during the day. They have 49 LED bulbs in here and they just stick into the ground. They each have their own little solar panel. So we're gonna put this up and we'll come back out at night and see how they look. So it comes with these poles and a little stake. All you've got to do is put this little stake on there and then you poke that in the bottom and then they are ready to get planted. So these would be really cute if you also had a little pot as well, so they could then poke out of the pot. We're going to stick that in here, get it ready to go. On the bottom, there is an on and off switch. You do have to click that on whenever you get started, and it just slides over, and then it will turn on at night. It's now nighttime, and the solar flowers are all lit, and they look so pretty, all in my garden. Whenever it wakes up in the morning, they should be turned off from the sun.